Hello friends, so welcome to one more video, and in this video I would like to introduce you with the cylindrical grinding. So you can see a cylindrical grinding setup over here. The workpiece, you can see the workpiece, it is the workpiece, and you can also see the grinding wheel, and this workpiece is supported between two centers. Okay, and these centers can move, or these centers can slide over the bed. This is the panel, and this control panel is having the different buttons. Basically this is used to start and stop the various motors which are used in this particular setup. You can see these are the hand wheels which are used to provide the manual feed to the workpiece, and you can see this is the bed, okay, over which the table slides. Basically the whole table can slide left to right or right to left in order to cover the whole length of the workpiece. You can see this is the motor, and this motor is basically driving the workpiece. Okay, this motor is rotating the workpiece. This motor is basically connected to the workpiece through the center. I mean there is a gearbox, and through this gearbox this motor is connected to the centers, and the center this plate, or you can see this is the face plate which is rotating, and you can see this is the catch or dog plate. So this attachment is basically used to hold the workpiece, and you can see the grinding wheel which is rotating, and it is performing the grinding over the workpiece. One has to continuously supply the coolant in order to dissipate the heat, and this motor is used to drive the grinding wheel. You can see this motor is connected to this pulley, and from pulley there is a gearbox. Through the gearbox we can have the different set of speeds, and from this gear the output of this gearbox is connected to the grinding wheel. So grinding wheel is rotating and it is performing the grinding over the workpiece which is mounted between two centers. You can see this is the hand wheel which is used to provide the manual feed. This particular machine is having the both feed. I mean one can provide the manual feed and as well as automatic feed. For the automatic feed, I mean the table movement has to be done, and there is a motor attached below, and through that motor the table moves automatically. This is the pump, lubrication pump, which is used for the lubrication of the whole machine. Once you start this pump, the lubrication of the whole machine will take place automatically. You can see this is the grease, and this is the oil which is used for the lubrication purpose, and you understand why do we use the lubrication? In order to reduce the friction. So this is the tail stock part, and this is how the workpiece is clamped in the between headstock and tailstock through one plate, and this is dog carrier. So you can these are the buttons which I am showing you, and you can see these the buttons which are on the top side are used to start the motors, and the red buttons are used to stop the motors. So you can see this is the inching yellow button. I mean this is for sequentially starting and stopping the motor, and so you can see it, and there is a diagram or a figure or the indication of each and everything. You can see this motor which I am pointed out. This is the for the grinding wheel. You can see the symbol. This is for the internal grinding. So these people have disassembled the internal grinding attachment. So this is the lubricant, and same lubricant keep on recirculating again and again. So you can see this is the bed over which the table moves. These are the guideways. Okay, so thank you. Please do subscribe.